Hi everyone, welcome. I am Nyx DarkSky and I have an unboxing for you today. This site was recommended to me by Mindy's Diamond Moment, and she has a lot of great YouTube videos, and I will post her link down below in the comment sections down there. Okay, so today, sorry, my husband had already opened the box for me. He's sweet about that. He opens my boxes so I don't have to fight with the box cutters. So let's see. Don't want to show y'all my address here, so I'm going to fold that part out. The unboxing comes from Daysdream LLC, and that's days-dream.com. Again, I will list this in the section below. This is a United States company, and she had crazy fast shipping. She does charge a standard flat fee of $5.99 shipping, but again, it was crazy fast. I think I got it within like 2 days. So I ordered the Parfumerie 30 by 40 centimeters, and it was round, and I also ordered a cover minder. So with that said, let me put my paper over here out of the way, because again, it's got my address on it. Don't want you guys to be showing up at my door, as they say. So let's start off with the cover minder. It came in this, I'm trying to stay in focus here again. I'm kind of new to this, so guys, bear with me, okay? But the cover minder came in this really cute bag here. And matter of fact, I'm going to take this out of here and get rid of the box. That way it's out of our way. And the last time I looked on her site, she did not have this exact cover minder anymore. That was a couple of days ago. You can look again and see. Oops, I am going to adjust my camera just a minute, so please, I don't want to give nobody motion sickness, so hold on 1 second. Okay, there we go. I think I got it. Slide things around here just a smidge. Okay, so here's our cover minder, and it is so beautiful. Can you see that? Oh, come on, focus. Let's try that. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let's see. Let's try. Come on, cooperate here. There we go. Let's see if I can get you up close here. Let's try this and see if that'll work. There you go. But it is so pretty, and she has a lot of beautiful cover minders. This one here was it cost, let's see, Dragonfly cover minder was $3.69. Do you see all those stones in there? Oh my gosh, it is just gorgeous, especially for $3.69. You can't even go to Hobby Lobby and buy a pen for that much. But I love it. It is great. On the back, it's got really strong magnets. Oh, there we go. And it just works really good. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to set this over here to the side so it doesn't get lost. Oh, if y'all are looking at my tray here, my husband prints those. So if anybody's interested, leave me a message, and I will get back with you, or email me, and if you're interested and would like one. I love them. I have, they're very hard, and you don't have all the flimsy, and they're bigger than the green boats. So, but anyway, moving on to our painting. Again, this is called Parfumerie. Parfumerie, and it's a 30 by 40 round, and it comes very well packaged. Our plastic foamy stuff here that I will recycle and use for something else. And let's see. Let's see if I can show you this. Come on, focus. Oh, my camera don't want to focus. But that's the picture of it right there. I will, what I'll do is I will put a photo of this in the thumbnail section of the video. So let's see, I'm gonna try. This is poured glue, so I'm going to try and roll this backwards just a little bit. The canvas is a little stiff. Not bad though, not too bad. So we're just gonna hold that for a second. You get your standard kit, which comes with the green boat and your wax. You get the pen, you get the green boat, wax, you get the pen, which looks like it has a 3-placer on the end, and you get a handful of the Ziploc bags. I think there's about maybe 5 or 8 there. So we're going to take and put that back into its little bag there. Set it to the side. We have our beads here. They're round. Oops, glare. Come on, glare. And we'll get to those in a minute. And so here we go. Now, let's see. Oh, goodness, I got such a glare here. I'm so sorry, everyone. Give me just a second. I'm going to pull this back and see if I can get some of these wrinkles out so you can see it a little better. And pull this side back. I'll get it together here in just a second. I don't know if you guys can see it better with the plastic or without the plastic. So there we go. That's a good shot. But it's perfume bottles. And yes, if I can get it close enough so you can see the drill field. Oh, come on, camera. Focus, focus. So it's really, really pretty and colorful. Again, the size is a 30 by 40. You do have your chart on both sides. There is 22 colors here. I believe that it uses, oh come on glare, there we go, that's better. I believe it uses the DMC numbers here. Kind of looks like them the same to me. I will have to double check to make sure though, but you do get that, and it is on the left as well as on the right here. Again, please forgive me in my videoing. I am new and still learning how all of this works. But it's very, very colorful and very beautiful on the perfume bottles. I'm going to hang this one in my bathroom. It is really, really pretty. So, let me put the cover back on that. I am going to have to do something about the lighting in here, and so I can get the glare off. Smooth this down real good. Alright, now let's turn that over and let's look at our beads. Okay, for those of you that are wearing headphones, mute me for a second because it's going to be really rattly here for a sec. You do not, I did not see a page where you can mark off your colors and everything, but I have counted my colors and they're all here. So, and let's start at 20. Again, so sorry for the noise. So sorry for the noise. All right. Okay, can we see? Oh, come on. I am definitely got to get, I have to get a better camera, guys. I'm so sorry. Please bear with me. Okay, we have this here is 618. And I believe that they are all that number. So I may be wrong. These may not be DMC numbers here, because it looks like they're just kind of numbered by the bag. But you have like a mauve color, and there's your purple. This is black, which I think everybody knows black is 310 in DMC. You got a pretty silvery gray here. You got the kind of an olive green, a darker gray, more of a grassy green. Love that blue. And again, these are rounds. I see no ABs. This is a purple and pink. Well, it kind of looks like the last green one is kind of a grassy green, might be a little bit darker. You have a light grayish white. That is a dark green. Again, you have what, honestly, those kind of look like the same colors. I am definitely getting a new camera. This camera is just not working right. And then you have the light green here. Let's see if I can do it that way. Does that help? And then we have the yellow. And we have the pink. And we have a pretty kind of a rosy red. A blue-green. And, uh-oh, there's stowaway in there. Somebody was visiting his girlfriend. And this here is a blue. I was always told that if you found the odd little bead, that there was a boyfriend went to go visit his girlfriend, and one of his beads from his line got stuck on his shirt. So when he went to visit his girlfriend, it fell off into hers. But, oh, there's two in there. She must have had two boyfriends. And then the last two colors is this gorgeous yellowy green here, and then you have the purpley blue. So again, this is like a beginner's kit. It would be really good for a beginner. The drill field is very, very clear, very easy to read. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be a really, really pretty piece of art when it's done. So let me measure. Now this says it is a 30 by 40. Let me get my measuring tape here. Okay, let's double check here and make sure that our measurements are correct. Okay, drill field is 25 centimeters, and from top to bottom is 35 centimeters. So yeah, it is the 30 by 40 has got to be the, yeah, 30 by 40 is the entire canvas. So the drill field is not 30 by 40. You have that, yeah, you have a 1 inch on all sides here. So that shortens your drill field. So this one is not a true 30 by 40 drill field. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this is from a company called Daysdream LLC, and I will post the link and everything below. Please leave me your comments, and if you have any other sites that you would like for me to do unboxings from, send me some links. Let me know what you think, and let me know, you know, talk to me. I would love to hear from you guys. So have a great day, and be happy, and be crafty. Bye for now.